Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. And today we're going to be fixing the Xbox game launcher getting stuck on checking for updates. So I just want to ask, if this video does help you today, please consider leaving a super thanks or just engaging in the video in any way, as it really does help me out. But to do this, we're going to have to enter into safe mode on our computer. So I like to go from the login screen. This is where you log into your computer initially. Go to this power button down here in the bottom right, click it, and then we're going to hit the shift key. While holding the shift key, we're going to hit restart, and we're going to keep holding the shift key until we get to the Windows recovery environment, which is a blue screen that's going to pop up in like 10-15 seconds here. Remember to keep holding shift while doing this. And now we're here. So once we get here, we want to go over to troubleshoot, advanced options, and then hit startup settings. And we're going to restart our computer. And after this is done successfully restarting in like 30 seconds probably, we're going to get a list of options. Once you've loaded up, you'll have this in front of you. Now remember to be quick because your computer will turn off in like 30 seconds. But we're going to hit F4 to enable safe mode, and then our computer should boot into safe mode for us. And once we've logged in, it should look pretty weird like this. And we want to go open our File Explorer and go to our local disk C. Scroll down and look for this Xbox Games folder here. What we want to do is rename it. You can rename it to anything. I'll do XBX. And now, when you restart your computer again, it's going to recreate that folder and it should fix the problem. Now, anything in this folder can be copied into the new folder when you restart your computer, as this folder is still going to be here. So you can go ahead and restart your computer again. Go down here, hit restart, and once you restart it, it should fix your problem. Anyways guys, if this video helped you out today, you know what to do. Peace.